The moisture content of silicon gel material directly determines its product quality and moisture-proof performance. Usually, the moisture content of industrial silicon gel is less than 5%. The moisture content of food and medical-grade silicon gel desiccant is less than 4%. So how to scientifically detect if the moisture content of silicon gel desiccant is meet the standard? Below, I will show you a scientific testing method. Let's go. First step, zero in the electronic scale. Second step, take flat glassware weighing, record data. Generally test at least 3 groups. Put about 20 gram silicon gel material into each glassware. Record the data. Third step, set constant temperature of air drying oven at 180 degrees. When it's stable, put samples into the oven and bake 2 hours. Now we take out the sample to weigh and record data. It is simple to calculate the moisture content of desiccant. Have you learned it now? Welcome to follow me for more desiccant tips.